Hey, buddy. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Smoking Jazz Barbecue. And me and my dog want to thank each and every single one of you for subscribing, for watching this channel, for sharing my videos with all your family and friends. And thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, because we have finally reached a small milestone in our particular channel. We want to give you the biggest thanks that anybody can give you. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this channel, for supporting me, for subscribing to me, and again, sharing my videos with all your family and friends. And it helped me get to this particular point where I have reached 100 subs, 100. So thank you so much, guys, from the bottom of my heart. It's been a great journey so far, and it's just the small stepping stone to something bigger. So I want to thank each and every one of you guys for watching this channel, and thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for sharing my videos to all your family and friends. And I want to give a big shout out to 3 different people. These guys have helped me tremendously in this journey in my channel, in this barbecue world that we all live in. And I want to give a big shout out to them, because they're our brothers in my heart. We might not be family as far as blood wise, but we are family in this barbecue world. So first one I want to give a big shout out and give big thanks to is Meat Cranium. Definitely check out his channel, which is going to be me right here. So check out his channel, is Meat Cranium. He definitely has a great channel, guys. Definitely check him out. He has a lot of great content, reviews, and you know, stuff like that. So definitely check out his channel. Second one of all is going to be Pickles Bbq. It's another guy that is also got a lot of great content. So definitely check out his channel right here. So make sure you check out his channel, guys. And thirdly, it's going to be Pickles Bbq. Another great channel. These guys are awesome in the barbecue world, so make sure you definitely give them a big shout out. If you haven't subscribed to them, make sure you subscribe to them right now, and like I said, check out their channel. But then meanwhile, today's feature is going to be a trip to Chicago that I recently done, and I went in search of the best barbecue joints they have available out there. Unfortunately, was only able to stay for 2 days due to a big giant snowstorm that was coming, so we had to get out of there quick. So I was only able to capture some film and some pictures of it. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope that you get a chance to visit Chicago and enjoy the great scenery and the great sights they have and the great city they have. So without further ado, guys, enjoy. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for this big giant platform that we all live in, and thank you for making me part of your world. Without further ado, here's the video. So stay tuned and enjoy. Alright, guys, so we're going to be doing our 100 subscribers special, but before we go any further, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, and ring that bell. That way you stay updated on all the latest content. And let's get started right now. Alright, so as you can see, we're on our way to the Philadelphia airport, and we're on our way to Chi-Town. So we're on our way to Chicago to enjoy this great barbecue, as they claim. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to show you what is the city like. Actually, we're going to Schaumburg, Illinois, right outside of Chicago. So once we land there, we're going to film some more, and we're going to show you what we're going to be doing. All right, so stay tuned, guys. Enjoy the video. So we're laying the stay right here in Chicago. We're on our way to the hotel at this point. So just give you an update on what's going on, guys. Appreciate you joining us. Stay tuned for more videos. Alright, guys, so we stayed at the Hilton Garden Inn, and it was a nice hotel, not too bad. And pretty pricey, but it was worth every penny, so not too bad. The only complaint that I have is they got a small bathroom. So came with them all, right? Today we're going downtown Chicago, and we're going to show you a couple of restaurants they have down there. Hopefully we can get in, because I was told they're quite busy on the weekend night. So, you know, that's good business for everybody. So, but stay tuned. I'm going to show you what it looks like downtown. We're going to do some sightseeing. We're going to do a little bit of everything. And the best thing of all, we're going to show you what it looks like inside these beautiful restaurants. They are known for the best barbecue in Chi-Town. So stay tuned, guys. I'm going to show you what it looks like. she is, ladies and gentlemen. There she is. We're finally here at Schaumburg, Illinois for this special featurette of Weber's Grill Restaurant. Oh man, can't wait guys, can't wait. Alright guys, so we made it to the Weber Grill Restaurant, and this is the giant famous grill that's up front of the restaurant. So we're going to show you what it looks like inside. As you can see, they got a nice fire going on right there. It is windy guys. We're in Chicago, Schaumburg, Illinois. So we want to show you more footage inside, alright? Stay tuned. So as you can see, they're definitely getting their barbecue on this particular time. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so I got exclusive access to come to the back of the grill area, so this is going to be awesome. So we have Trevor right here, which is one of the managers.
Yes, sir.
And thank you so much for allowing us to come back here and take an exclusive look. This is definitely a treat right here, guys.
Do you want to get your picture of George?
Oh yeah.
George Stephen, creator,
George
founder
Stephen?
of the Weber Grill.
Wow.
Absolutely. We got a picture of the replica. That's the first grill he started selling in 1952. Started it off.
Wow.
Absolutely.
This is awesome.
It's been a lot of fun.
It's been a lot of fun. Okay.
Family, great grilling condition.
Right.
Out of the Chicago area.
Wow.
Got a little sensor.
Yep.
Obviously hot.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
You got mine there right behind.
Thank you.
Of course.
Alright guys, so as you can see, we got definitely the bigger grills. What size are these?
These are going to be 36 inches.
36 inches? Okay, I kind of figured that. Wow.
Massive grill, spun steel. You know, we beat up on these guys
Right.
12 hours a day.
12 hours a day?
They got a natural gas chimney starter, so that's how we replenish the charcoal on top. The charcoal set up on an indirect grilling style.
Wow.
So you see that charcoal set up and back. Get
Right.
that really nice, good sear on it, but
Absolutely.
pull it out, close the lid, really let the grill do its work. You know,
Right.
that's really what changed it all, was the
Right.
lid. The lid
Right.
changed everything. The vents on the top, the bottom, changed the game.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Wow. As you can see guys, they have a clean working station. You don't see this kind of cleanliness in most restaurants. This is definitely a upscale, elegant barbecue restaurant. I would definitely recommend anybody to come here. Oh man. Trevor, you are the man, dude.
Appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for exclusive access, and we love to come back and visit soon. So one more look guys, and this is it. Wow, look at all the grills. Oh man. This is barbecue heaven, guys. If this is not it, I don't know what else is. Alright guys, so I just took a bite of the rib sampler, and I'm telling you, this is delicious. Great bite. It's a nice pull through from the bone, as you can see guys. Got the little bark on it on top with the barbecue sauce glaze on it. Sorry, focus, okay. Yeah, you can see the smoke ring guys, so it's definitely, oh yeah, it's worth the trip to come all the way up here for some barbecue food at Weber's restaurant. You see that? It melts in your mouth. Different good quality. Nice grill marks. Oh yeah. Perfectly cooked steak on the rubber grill. I don't know if you can see that, guys, but it's medium rare. This is how I like it. Perfectly grilled steak. Wow, I'm beyond words, guys. This has been an experience to dine here in this upscale barbecue restaurant. Weber's Grill Restaurant got my stamp of approval. Big shout out to Trevor and all the waiting staff that waited on us. They treated us like we were royalty. So big thumbs up to you guys, man. Salute. Alright guys, so we're on our way to Sweet Baby Ray's Barbecue Restaurant, and I gotta say it has been very, very disappointing on my last day at Chi-Town, and I'm leaving with a bitter taste in my mouth because this has been an awful experience to dine here at Sweet Baby Ray's Restaurant. I mean, what you see right here, guys, is the only pictures that I'm able to get from the restaurant itself, because they won't allow me to do anything further, such as film or anything else. I mean, I was treated like I was a piece of garbage, and I did not like that. The female manager on duty at that time told me that we're not allowed to film whatsoever, but I just seen someone else do the exact same thing and was able to go back to the kitchen and get some film. However, I rate this overall as poor satisfactory, and I explained to them that I have a YouTube channel, but she did not care whatsoever. So, however, the food was pretty bland in my opinion. The only thing that was good was the ribs that I got from the platter itself, and the potatoes. But you know, definitely Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce was the star of the show. That's what I grew up on, and this is definitely a good sauce. So guys, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, and make sure you hit that bell. That way you stay updated on all the latest content that I put out. And if you like the video, guys, make sure you hit the like button as well. And please share this video with all your family and friends. And again, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. Until we meet again, guys, this is Smoking Jazz Barbecue.